In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to open multiple games on Roblox. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna search up Roblox account manager, GitHub on your browser. So first of all, we need to download a software which can allow us to open multiple games at the same time. So this is the software which is Roblox account manager. So I'm just gonna click on the first link and it's gonna take you to a website of GitHub. Here you just have to click on this option of download so you can start downloading the software. So once you click on it, a pop-up will appear where it will say to download it. You can just choose the file destination. In my case it's download, so I'm just gonna save it there and I'm gonna click save. Then it's gonna be successfully downloaded and you can click on this file option to open it in Finder. So once that is open, it's in an archive form, so we're going to unarchive it first. So you can just right click extract files and then click OK. So once that is done, it's going to create a folder where you can click and then you can open the application. But remember, this application won't open unless your protection is off. So you can turn it off by going to viruses and threat protection. So I'm going to go there. And here under the virus and threat protection, make sure that your protection is off, because the computer, it detects this app as a virus, but it's actually not a virus. So then as you can see, my protection is off right here and it's off right here. So to off it, you can just click on the option turn off and then it's going to redirect you and you can off it from there. So once you have turned it off, you can close it and you're free to open the app. So now I'm going to click on the app. I'm going to click on yes. And then you'll have to wait for an update to happen. So I'm just gonna wait for it to happen. It's gonna take about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm just gonna wait for it. Alright, so once the update is done, you can just close it and then you're free to open, and you guys can see that it will automatically open. So now we can start opening our accounts. So first of all, you can just close your Finder window and you can head over to roblox.com. So once you're there, for your own safety, you can make alt accounts so that in case you get hacked or something, it won't affect your main. But trust me, this is a safe website, but some people, they still won't trust it. So you can always create alt accounts. So I'm just gonna click and create a few alt accounts to show you how this works. So I already created one alt account. Now I'm gonna click more. I'm just gonna sign up. Noob and Pro alt 01. I'm gonna give a month, a day, and a year. Alright, so once that is done, my username is green. I'm gonna give a password and then I'm gonna click on sign up. So I'm gonna create 3 alts to demonstrate this process. So now 2 are created. Now I'm gonna click create one more, and then we're gonna go and put this up in the software, and then we're gonna open our 3 games. So I'm just gonna wait. Alright, let's create another account now. Log out. Sign up. So noob pro 0 alt 03. Put the password in. Put the birthday. Alright. Now I'm gonna click on sign up. And now our 3 accounts are successfully created. Now we're gonna use these accounts and plug them up in the software, and then we're gonna open a game from these 3 accounts at the same time. I'm just gonna wait for it to sign up. Alright, so now once that is done, you're gonna go back to the software, and here you're gonna click on the option of add accounts. So I'm gonna click add account, and now you'll have to log into all those 3 accounts so that they can show up in the software. So I'm just gonna wait for this window to load. Alright, I'm gonna put in my first account. Just gonna wait for it. Alright, so this is successfully logged in. So as you guys can see now, it shows it here. My first account is here. Now I'm gonna add 2 more accounts. So the next one with the password. Alright, now I'm gonna add the third account. Now as you guys can see, 2 accounts are there. Now the third one. So the 3, password, login. Alright, so now as you can see, we have 3 accounts loaded into the software, and now we'll have to give the ID of which game you want to download. So let's say in this case, I'm gonna go into the game, which is Pet Simulator X. So I'm just gonna go to the game. Alright, I'm gonna click on the game and go to this page, and here I'm gonna copy this ID on the URL, and I'm gonna give this to the software so that it can detect which game I have to go into. I'm gonna go back to the software, and in this option where it says place ID, I'm gonna paste this. Perfect. So now as you guys can see, it detects that this is Pet Simulator X. Now to join the game, I'm just gonna select all the 3 accounts and click on this option of join the server, and now it's gonna do the magic and join all those 3 all those 3 accounts at once. So you're just gonna wait and see. So now it's gonna load. Alright, so this is the first account. I'm just gonna minimize to show you all of them. Just wait for it to load. Alright, so that's the first account. Now as you can see, the other games are still opening, so I'm just gonna keep this at one side. So now this is the second account which is open. I'm just gonna wait for it, and I'm gonna minimize the screen. Alright, perfect. So now these are 2 accounts open. So this is alt 2. This one's alt number 2. Alright, now I'm gonna do the same thing here. But remember, you should only open the number of accounts which your computer can handle. So be careful of that, because some people just open too many apps and at the end their laptop crashes. Alright, so now as you guys can see, all my 3 alts are there in one game. So Noob and Pro Alt 1, Noob and Pro Alt 2, Noob and Pro Alt 3. So all of them are joined from 3 different accounts. And as you guys can see, now I can go to any account and start playing. So let's say I'm gonna pick this pet. I'm gonna give a name, Noob1, done. So now as you can see, I can play on this account. I can go on to this account and pick a pet, let's say this one. I can give a name Noob2, done. So I can go and play here, and same thing, I can go to the other account, pick a pet, and give a name Noob3. And there you go. So as you guys can see, my one account is there. This is the second account, and my third account is right here. So there you go. As you guys can see, all the 3 accounts are there, and this is how you open multiple games, and that's how you do it. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.